Welcome back to Learning with the Difference, news headlines in English for 2nd of September. And first of all, national news. Cervical cancer vaccine made in India to be available soon at rupees 200 to 400. Anti-drone guns by Indian startups on trials in Punjab, Jammu region. Putin brings India and China to Russia for war games, defying US. For terrorist Dawood Ibrahim, anti-terror agency NIA announced 25 lakh bounty. SpiceJet Delhi Nasik flight returned midway due to autopilot snag. PM Modi condoled death of former Soviet leader Mikhail Gorbachev. US President Joe Biden has announced his intent to appoint Indian Americans Manu Asthana and Madhu Beriwal to his National Infrastructure Advisory Council. India recorded 7,946 new COVID-19 cases on Thursday. West Bengal raised upper age limit to 30 for police recruitment. Adar Poonawalla aimed to launch Omicron-specific COVID vaccine in 6 months. Arvind Kejriwal offered condolences after Sonia Gandhi's mother's death. And now some international news. Pakistan court extended Imran Khan's bail on terrorism charges. UN inspection team heads to Ukraine nuclear plant despite shelling. Scientists from California University discovered new way of producing hydrogen from water at room temperature. IMF's $2.9 billion bailout for debt-laden Sri Lanka. Over 3 million children at risk after massive floods in Pakistan. UNICEF. And now some sports news. AIFF polls Kalyan Chaube ahead of Baichung Bhutia for president's post. He is a player for whom you create space in team. Parthiv Patel on India Star. Indian Super League Kerala Blasters East Bengal to kick off new season on October 7. And now news related to business. Nifty Sensex plunge over 1% to start 5th September on a weak note. GST collection rises 28% in August to rupees 1.43 lakh crore. Digital transactions value touch rupees 10.73 lakh crore in August. Boeing sees India Airlines raising capacity by 25% over next year. Commercial cooking gas cylinder price cut by rupees 91.5 in Delhi. Center target to increase coal production to 1.23 billion tons by 2024 to 25. Oil falls rupees $95 a barrel on increased supply, lower China demand. Government plan to revamp crop cover scheme to attract more insurers. Leasing of retail space in January to June jumps 2.5 times across 8 cities. And now let's have a look of weather of New Delhi on 2nd September. The temperature of New Delhi at the daytime will reach to 34 degrees Celsius and it will drop to 25 degrees Celsius at night. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.